Introducing the rugged and refined 2026 Ford Bronco Outer Banks 4-door, 4-wheel drive. This shadow black beauty is powered by the formidable 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Built for those who demand both style and substance, this model features the exclusive Equipment Group 312A and the striking black appearance package. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Imagine taking this Bronco up the winding trails towards Stave Falls, where the shadow black exterior perfectly matches the deep greens of our local mountains. With the black appearance package, featuring a black painted hardtop and 17-inch black high-gloss painted steel wheels, you are not just driving an SUV, you are making a bold statement. This vehicle is designed to handle the diverse landscapes of British Columbia with absolute confidence and ease. Short pause.
Step inside to a cabin that perfectly balances durability with high-end technology. You will find leather-trimmed ActiveX seats in a sophisticated Smoked Truffle and Black finish that are as easy to clean as they are comfortable. The 12-inch productivity screen keeps all your vehicle data front and center, while the Sound Deadening Headliner ensures your ride remains quiet even when the valley weather turns. Plus, with dual-zone electronic air conditioning and universal serial bus charging ports, every passenger stays connected and comfortable. Performance and utility are at the heart of the Outer Banks series. This Bronco is equipped with the Terrain Management System, featuring goes over any type of terrain modes, allowing you to calibrate your drive for any surface you encounter. It sits tall on 32-inch light truck all-terrain tires, supported by a 3.73 rear axle open differential. From the Mission Bridge to the backcountry, the combination of electronic power assist steering and hill start assist gives you total control over the road ahead.
We are often asked, what specific safety systems are included for peace of mind while exploring the valley? According to the window sticker data, this Bronco comes standard with Advanced Track featuring roll stability control and a comprehensive safety canopy airbag system. You also benefit from pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and a tire pressure monitor system. These features ensure that whether you are on a school run or a mountain trek, your safety is the primary priority.